All right, everybody. Totally buenas noches. Welcome to another traveling Costa Rica vlog here on YouTube. Today we're still in Playas del Coco, guys. We're doing a night walkie-talkie tour here in this popular tourist town just outside of the Liberia International Airport. Last video we put up, we did a daytime walk down to the beach. So I got a question on YouTube about a couple places you can go and dance in Playas del Coco. So we're going to cover that off in this video. We're starting at the same place as we did in the last one. Guys, before we begin, if you haven't already, hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment as always. Keep your questions, feedback, requests. I'm going to need some help with this one, guys, because I go to bed early. I don't know a whole lot about nightlife, but I will show you right on the video what we can see. So we got some restaurants still open. It's 9 p.m. right now. 9 p.m. Now, this place is open late. This place is open late. They got a little grocery store, a little convenience store. They got liquor, smokes. They got liquor and smokes there. That's the spot. No drone tour on this one, guys, because you can't fly a drone at night in Costa Rica, FYI. So if you come down with a drone, you can't fly it. We got some restaurants. These are still open. Jimmy's Burgers. We got Santorini. So these are all nice restaurants. What's this one called? Verde Salvia. Verde Salvia. That looks like a nice restaurant. So Santorini's a nice restaurant too over there. I've eaten at Santorini. It's pretty good. What else we got? We got the fish restaurant up there. We saw the other day. Oh, so there is a ice cream place right here. They're open. Ice cream place right there, guys. Right beside the casino. Beside the entrance to the casino. There's open late ice cream. What else we got? Via Italia. I think that's a really nice restaurant too. Right here, here's the sign. So as we start getting closer, guys, I don't know how the audio is going to turn out with coconuts. They got like live music. Maybe we'll just do a walk by there. Sounds like they're doing karaoke. So that is actually called Loma's now, I guess. That used to be like Pizza Hut. But here, look at this place. And this place is nice, super upscale and fancy. Here's the menu. Let's see what the menu says. So coffee, that's all I want. Espresso is about $3. There you go. Let's see what else is there. Entradas, table of queso, $24. Pastas. So there you go. Spaghetti to carbonara, $20. I don't know. Here, I'll look at the rest of the stuff. You guys can pause the video if you so desire. So that's a upscale restaurant. Hot Walk. There you go. So we're gonna walk over to Coconuts, see if they start the music back up. I don't know. I did karaoke there once. Yes, it's the Wild West of golf carts here. Playas del Coco. Guys, let me through. Fantastic. Okay, so this is Coconuts, guys. They have like karaoke. They have drinks. It's a bar. It's a restaurant. It's all those things. Oh, they got live music. That's what's going on. So here's Coconuts. Well, and I think they play like sports here too. I think it's a sports kind of spot. Let's look at the menu here. What do we got? Chips and salsa is like 3,200 cologne, so that's like $6.50. Margaritas, $12, $13 thereabout. There you go. Here, some stuff on the menu. Pause it at your leisure. Well, they got swings too. That's pretty cool. So live music here. Excellent. Oh, bro. So Tandoor, guys, Tandoor is open. That's an Indian restaurant. They got really good food. I've been there a couple times. What else we got going on? So up ahead here is Z Lounge. We're gonna check out Z Lounge. This is a big souvenir shop. They're still open. Normally during the day they'll have like tables out here with a bunch of stuff on it. So Z Lounge, guys, not too busy. Not too busy. But there have been occasions where I come by Z Lounge. I think I'm up past my bedtime and it's like chaos. So many people out on the street, standing in people's way there. So and it becomes like a nightclub back there. So I think if you want to dance, that's kind of where you'd go. If you're a conventional dancer, and I got alcohol on board, I'll turn an alleyway into a dance club. So what do we got on the menu here, guys? Quesadillas, like 13, 14 bucks. Here, we'll go through the menu here together, guys. Here, pause it if you want. 3 cheese hamburger, about 14 bucks. All kinds of stuff. Where's the booze? Now everybody wants booze. So happy hour, 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Happy hour. There you go, guys. Z Lounge. I honestly don't even know what happy hour. Happy hour. Oh, does this explain it? Oh, okay. So it makes you happy because they got the food. So you got pina colada. I don't even know what that stuff is. $6. Mojitos. I don't know, like mixture. I just drink vodka water when I do drink. So $5. And national beers are $3. Denominated in dollars. There you go. All right, now let's go down to the beach. I actually wasn't planning on doing the beach. Normally, normally all the nightlife stuff is up here, but I'm curious about the beach. So let's go find out together. Oh, here's a Mexican restaurant. They're still open. El Capricho. El Capricho. What's this place? Oh, there's a pizza. Guys, if you haven't joined before, I mean, I just got like super deficit of attention. So I'm just looking around. Try not to snap the camera too aggressively. Busy. But I do want to like get it all in. So street meat right here on the corner, guys. Easy protein fix. Easy protein fix with street meat. Let's go take a look. I just bought a chicken though earlier at Compro, so I hope I don't get salmonella. Amigo, ¿cómo está? ¿Cuánto cuesta estos? 1500. $3. Okay, perfecto, gracias. There you go, guys. $3. What's going on here? It's actually kind of difficult to like do these walkie-talkie tours and like my head just on a swivel with cars, motorcycles, anything that'll bite me. Dogs. Got bit by a dog one time. I think that's the problem. I got coach stress or something like that. Let's see if KFC's popping at this time of night. So there's a KFC now here in Coco. Interestingly enough, very contentious. I read all the comments online. People don't like it, but people still eat there. Wow. Now I can start hearing music down here, so it looks like somebody's going on. KFC open? Somebody's in there. Maybe not open. I don't know. I can hear music though. So I don't know what these bars are, guys. Yeah, and once again, leave me a comment if you know stuff. You know where it's good to eat. I don't really make an effort to go out and eat anywhere. I'm just the guy that sits in my car alone and eats a cooked chicken from Walmart and hope normal people don't smell it on me. So here we are down at the beach. So we did this whole beach strip in the last week. Picked the last video for that. See some people hanging out down there. Okay, what do we got here? So here's a little restaurant bar. There's no kids out. My bedtime is before most kids, I do think. So that's interesting. So now off in the distance there, I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Try to zoom it in. Start seeing the Waldorf Astoria off there in the distance. Man, I don't know if I'll zoom in. I can see the lights, but I don't know if it shows up on the vid. What we got going on? What we got going on? There's a whole bunch of like bars out here, and I don't know necessarily. So it looks like there's a drum set here, maybe some live music going on later. I don't know what this one's called. I see something that says Coco Mar. Oh yeah, so Plaza Coco Mar, Gastro Market. Oh, so maybe this is like a whole bunch of different food things. I don't know. Explain, guys. I get a lot of comments, people that live in Coco and have been here a lot. Let me know what that is. Well, this is nice and well lit. Nice and well lit here. It looks like another band. Okay, yeah. Now this is getting recall here, guys. So there's like live music going on down here all the time. Like it's loud. Once these bands start playing, what's this place? This is Tortuga Bar, I guess. There you go. A lot of people out enjoying a drink and dinner. Looks like I don't see any dancing yet, but I mean, to the person who commented that question, right? Don't listen to me, but you can dance anywhere. Just get drunk enough, I guess. Yo, they've got a menu here, guys. Got a menu here. What do we got? Entradas. So what are we looking at here? Ceviche. The ants are all over this. So ceviche is about $14. What else do we got? Is that Bologna? All kinds of stuff. Encantico. Okay, casado, guys. That's the only thing I ever eat here in Costa Rica. I'm pretty basic. That's about $11 for casado. I love casado. I could eat casado breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Absolutely. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna go finish on the pier. We're gonna finish on the same place we did the daytime walkie-talkie tour. Oh my God, there's a crab right here. That's so cool. Crabs come out at night. I guess that can mean a lot of different things. That one's pretty skittish. You see that one? Maybe I can sneak up behind. No. There's another one right here though. He seems more lethargic and docile. I'm gonna move up. How do you approach a crab? Look at that. Cool. Do they have ears? Where he goes. Crab jump. It's also another. There you go. Hey, he's coming in. I don't know what they can see. Look at that. Cool. Nice. Little crab here. There's crab down here. All right, cool. And here's the pier. So well lit. Well lit. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed that nighttime walkie-talkie tour here from Playas del Coco in Costa Rica. Low season, so there's not as many people out here. I guess, high. That's that. So stay tuned for the next video where I'm sure we'll go to some beach somewhere around. Be sure to hit like, hit subscribe right here on YouTube. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.